Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily remove bots in Telegram. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, write comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to put your likes. And let us get started with you. Please open Telegram on your phone. And then swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the search bar. Click on that. And that's where you'll need to search for BotFather. Click on this particular chat room. Next, click Start. Now in the bottom left corner, click Menu. Then edit your bots. And if you have, then you'll see them listed here. As you can see, I don't have any, but if you have them, in order to remove them, you'll need to click on Bot. Then a menu will appear on it, and you will have to select Delete Bot and confirm your action. Then it will be deleted immediately. Friends, this is how you can delete bot in Telegram. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.